Hey, it's Chris. So you want to learn how to create clickable image ads or how to create clickable images for Backpage or Craigslist. Actually, Craigslist, as far as I know from what I've been told, is I don't use them anymore. But I've heard that you can't do clickable images anymore. So this is going to be for Backpage or any other classified site where you can add HTML to create a clickable image ad. This is going to be very quick training here. So if you guys, if I'm going too fast, then just pause the video and then follow steps as I show them. Pause the video and then come back and unpause it. Do definitely subscribe to my channel because I do provide a lot of value for internet marketers. Anybody who's new online or anybody who's a little bit more advanced, I'm sure you can get some goods out of what I teach here. So let's just first of all go to Google, okay? And I just searched here for images. So just as a sample here, an example, I searched online business success, okay? And I found this image here that I like. So I'm on a PC here, not a Mac. So if you're on a Mac, you'll have to do this. However, go Google it and find out. Pause this video and go Google it. On a PC, what I do is I just see this image here, right click on it, and I click copy image. Now this is in Google Chrome, okay? Just so you know. I click copy image, okay? And that copies it to my clipboard so that I can paste it somewhere else. Now I use a program called Paint.net. You could use PowerPoint if you like. With PowerPoint, you can make the text look a lot better. There'll be a link in the description of this video, which will have some resources for you to go download Paint.net if you want to use that, or OpenOffice, for example, if you don't want to buy Microsoft Office, or if you don't have it on your computer. If you do, I recommend you use Microsoft Office, use PowerPoint. So nonetheless, we're in Paint.net, which I'm using right now. I'm going to go to File and New. And what this program does is it selects the dimensions are already selected for that image that I copied. So it's already selected 800 by 552. So I'm just going to click enter, and it's going to create that image size. Okay, that's the canvas size. Now I can click Control V, and it's going to paste that image. Now 800 is a little bit too much of a size. It's too big. So since it's going to be on a back page, I'm going to put it at about 500 pixels wide. Okay. So you click on Image at the top here in Paint.net, or click Resize. If you're on PowerPoint, just drag the corner of the image, make it smaller. Okay, so it's at a width of 800. I'm going to put the 500. Okay, I'm going to click Enter. Now this is already maintaining the aspect ratio, so it's not going to distort the image. It's going to keep the aspect ratio. So I click OK. Now I'm at 500. Now I want to add some text under the image. So I go back over to Image here. I click on Canvas Size. I make sure that this is anchored here at the top center. Okay. Because the image is going to stay in the top center of the canvas, and I'm going to expand it down so I can add room for text. You'll see what I mean in a second. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to add 200 pixels. So it's at 345. I'll put it at 545. I'll click Enter, which will do that. But make sure here that Maintain Aspect Ratio is turned off if you just want to create, image size underneath. Okay. I'm going to click OK. As you can see, it's putting white space underneath. Now, I went to Google as well and I downloaded some images. You can go type in, be resourceful. You're an entrepreneur. Go on here and type like Get Access Now button, right? See, look, the suggestion comes up. So, same thing with this image. I would right click and go Copy Image, okay? But I already have one, so I'm going to go over here, back to my Paint.net program. As you can see, I have a button here that says Get Instant Access, okay? But before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of text. So I'm going to go over here to the text selection tool. Let's go for black text for now. And my alignment is left. I'm going to center that after. But so I'm going to put here, proven success formula helps even the new Okay, proven success formula helps even the new marketer reach their online goals with ease. Okay, so I'm going to put this to alignment of center. I'm going to bring it over here to center it. Okay, and then I'm going to go here to the rectangle select tool at the top, left of tools. Click it once, and then click onto text because I want it just to unselect what I was doing. Now I'm going to go change the color to orange. And I'm going to change some of this text here, okay? I'm going to put the alignment back to left. Go to here, proven success formula. Okay, just so that text stands out a little bit, you know, make it look 3D. If you're using PowerPoint, it's actually a lot easier to do this stuff. You don't have to go put different color text over. You can select if you want it to be 3D or whatever. You know, there's tutorials online to find that. You could probably find a tutorial on YouTube as well. Okay, so proven success formula. Just want to make sure this looks nice, okay? And okay, I'm gonna go down here, put this over here. Oh, that's a K in there. Proven success formula. I want certain text to stand out, right? So proven success formula helps new marketer. I just got a smoke going over here, so I'm going to take a drag of that because I can smoke my videos if I want. Get the last drag before it's gone. Okay, so proven success formula helps new marketer. And then let's go down here. Reach online. Yeah, the spacing's not good, so sometimes you have to do one word at a time. I'm just going to put that reach, and I'll just click somewhere else and click back. You know, you want to stand out from everybody else on Backpage. You know, if you've joined any types of businesses, it doesn't matter what business you're doing. You know, sometimes they provide you with images that you can use or text that you can use. You want to really stand out from everyone else on the internet because people are seeing those same ads over and over and over again. And if they see something a little different that's more appealing to them, they're more likely to get in to click through to go to your website. Okay, so proven success formula helps even the new marketer reach their online goals with ease. Okay, so as you can see, those certain text stands out. Proven success formula helps new marketer reach online goals. Okay, so I'm going to actually make this a little bit bigger, the canvas size. So let me just put it up by another 50. So I'll put it to like 600, for example, as the height. Okay, because I want to add something else underneath. So what I did is I went to Google and I found different buttons. Okay, and this button, as you can see here, I'll just show you. As you can see, it has white background. Now I don't want that white background. There's different ways you can do it, but there's a magic wand tool. Okay. And what I like to do is, if the background is very white and the image is a completely different color, I use the magic wand tool. I click here in the white space that I don't want, okay? And then I click on, I can either click on delete, you know. Actually, I won't do that. Let me undo that. So I just click on the white space surrounding the image that I want to use. Then I go to edit, invert selection. So it's selecting now the image and not the white space surrounding it. I'll click Control C on my keyboard to copy. Let's go back to my image that I have here. I'll click Control V to paste. And as you can see, here's my button. So as you can see, it cuts off a little bit. So you can adjust the size here, grab the corner, you know, drag it down so that it still looks readable. If you go like this, obviously it's not going to look too good. So, you know, make it look nice. Come up here. Space it, you know, a little bit evenly so that it looks appealing to your eyes, right? If it doesn't look appealing to your eyes, then it's not going to look appealing to other people's eyes. So, for example, if I have it like right underneath the words, it's not going to look so good. So I'll put it with a little bit of space here, white space around, and that's it. Go to File, Save As, and name it, right? Proven success. As you can see, I have a lot more images here. So I'll just put like group, because I remember that was a group of people like all excited, okay? So I'll save that file. Paint.net saves it as a PNG file by default. So click OK to save. Now I'm going to go upload this image, okay? And I'm going to upload multiple images that I've already created. So let me go over to Google Chrome. I'm going to go to a site called imgur.com. Go create a free account there. Okay. Now it's already got me logged in here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to upload images. There we go. It should work now. So I'm going to upload images from my computer. I'm going to select multiple images, and I'm going to show you how this is going to work a lot easier if you upload all the images at one time, okay? So go to your folder where you have your images. For this example, I'm just going to select 2 images. I'll select that one that I did before, plus another one. I'll click open. Okay, so it's going to upload these 2 images here. Click on Start Upload. And you can categorize these into different folders to keep them organized. If you're promoting different types of businesses, maybe different affiliate offers, then you want to keep your images organized. If it's more of a generic image, then create a folder called Home Business or something like that, or generic images, and then put all those images in there to use for your different opportunities. Okay? So there's one of the images. So I'm going to go back to, so this is first image and second image. What I'm going to do is going to go to Create Album. And I'll just create new album just for this test, okay? And I don't want them to be public, I want them to be hidden, which means that it won't appear in the album, but you'll still be able to access it by the URL. So if someone visits the image, they're still going to see it, okay? If I was to put it to secret, it wouldn't display on your Backpage ad. So put it as hidden. I don't put it as public because, then other people are going to come and use my ads. If I want to share it with my team, I could do that, but okay, I'm just putting it as hidden because that's my option, okay? And I'll select here as grid layout so that it shows all the images, okay? Save. And now you see those 2 images in here, okay? So what you do is you can actually just go click on images on the top right side of your account here. And as you can see here, I have 170 images. I have all these different ones. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this first drop down here that says all images, so you can view specific albums. Now I'm going to go to new album, and it's got my images listed there. If I had more, there'd be more. So as you can see here, view image info. I'm going to click on this, and you can see here it says generate image links. If I left click and go like this, it will select all of them. So if you have a lot of images, you can left click and select all of them, okay? 2 images selected, click done, and it has the image links. Now, this is not the link that I want because this won't create my clickable image ad. This is just to add like into an email or for using your autoresponder or something. So I do is click this middle pull-down menu, and I want HTML image for websites or blogs, okay? And when I select that, as you can see, it has this HTML code, okay? So you can click your copy or Control-C and Control-V, okay? Now go open a text document. Okay, so here is my notepad, and those 2 HTML image codes that I did create just now. So I'm going to paste those in here. I'm going to turn on word wrap in Notepad here so you can see them. Okay. Now there's a separation between these 2 which isn't very apparent. You can see it here on the imgur.com site. As you can see, it ends in the slash, like the greater than, or I guess it's less than sign, /a, greater than. So I can go here in between those 2 and put a space, okay, just so I can separate between those 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this image right here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to Backpage. Okay, so let's just pick a city. Okay, so I'm going to pick Atlanta, Georgia, because I know that's a good city. We'll go to Atlanta. Go to business opportunities. You can't post these in the job opportunities. You'll get your ads flagged. So use them in the biz ops section. Now I'm going to go to post an ad. Sorry if my audio is not the greatest here, people. Just using earphones at the moment, not a headset. So I go to services and business opportunities and pick Atlanta. Sometimes you don't have to go through all those steps, but okay. So now that HTML that I copied, I'm going to paste it here, okay? And what I want to do is I want to change this here. Because see it says ahref, it's a reference. So this is where when somebody clicks the image, you don't want them to go look at the image, you want them to go to your website, okay? So that's where you would insert your website. Let me see which one I'll put here. Let's see. Let's open a new tab. I'll go to this one here. Let me just create this. I'll send this out to my teammate to his site. So copy your link, your affiliate link or whatever it is you're going to use. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that if you notice that your ads are not showing up on Backpage, that could be happening for a few reasons. The main reason that it does happen is because the affiliate link is blocked by Backpage. Now, to create some really cool looking title, like images, like you can put little, I guess you would call them symbols. Go to Google and search them up. Actually, I'll have a link in the description for you, but you'll go to the site here, and it has these different images, which you can, the symbols, which you can add into your ads, so that they stand out from everybody else's ads. So let me just use, this is the common one that I do use right here. Let's use this one. So I copy this, I go here to my ad title, I paste it in here, put a space, paste it in again, so it's two arrows basically pointing to the right, and I want my ad title to correlate or be, I want it to basically match up with what my actual ad says, okay? So let me just go back to this image here, just to confirm. So let me go back to images, and let's look at this image to see exactly what it looks like so that I know that my title is going to match up with the image says. It was this one here. So work from home, our team has developed this proven success formula over 4 years because we want you to reach success. Okay, so I'm going to go to my ad here and write something like that. So proven success, out there, scroll down. Proven success formula, we want you to succeed. Now make sure not to put too many capitals here because Backpage doesn't like that. So I have my two arrows at the beginning of my title pointing to the right, and then let's get something that stands out here for the right side of it. I'll just put something that I use very often. Use this arrow here. Copy that. And I'll paste. Make sure to put a space. Paste. Space. Paste. Okay? So now I have my destination URL. I have my HTML set up here. If that was a little bit too quick for you guys, then just go rewind the video and watch it again. Email inquiries. I select this as I do not want to receive any email inquiries because I really don't. I want people to go click on my images. And display options, no, do not display, do not show links to my other postings because you don't want people seeing all your other postings. If you post like thousands of posts, it's going to list them all below your ad. You don't want that. So let me just put my email address here. Now guys, if you log into your Backpage account, you won't have to confirm your ads. So keep that in mind, okay? In this case, how I'm doing, I'm not logged in. So I'm just going to paste the ad. Oh, it says an error occurred. So it says for additional information you can email us, right? It might not like this Google goo.gl link. So let me just go grab my original affiliate link here now. My affiliate link may not be blocked just yet, so let me paste that in there. There's different reasons why it says there's an error occurred. So it could be either that you have too much capitals in your title or that it doesn't like your link. Okay, so let me try. Just troubleshooting to find out what's the reason that it's doing it. See, so it didn't. What it was, it didn't like that goo.gl account link. So for a tracker, again, check the description of this video, and there's a tracker that I highly recommend. You're going to be able to know which ads are being opened and clicked, and that way you will stop posting the ads that don't work. So as you can see here, there's my ad. Okay, let me just click place ad. I've entered the CAPTCHA. Again, if you want to use some type of service like a software, I do highly recommend one that I use. It costs $30 and it's worth it because you can post up to 550 ads at a time. I have another software that does over 1,000 ads. So I have two laptops running, one posting my primary business and one posting another, which is a service that I use to automate my marketing. So let's go to my email address. I have to confirm the posting. So it should be right at the top here. Click post. And again, if you're logged into your Backpage account, you won't have to do this. So let me just click it. Let me close some of these other windows. Okay, so your ad has been verified and posted, and I can go confirm that by opening this page here and then to business opportunities. Check to see if my ad is there. And it's live right there. So proven success formula, we want you to succeed. Click on that. And it's an image, it looks nice. Our team has developed a security system, blah, blah, blah. And when I click it, it's going to open in a new tab. Popping open my page, and this is for a meeting that's starting tonight. Webinar starts. Click here to claim your spot. You want to capture people's email addresses so you can keep following up with them. If you're not doing that, you're wasting your marketing time because you can't follow up with those prospects. If you're sending somebody just to a sales page, they're going to see the sales page once. When they go away from it, they're gone. So having an autoresponder set up with email follow-ups is very important. So that's it, guys. The ad is live. It's good to go, right? Atlanta Business Opportunities. It's there. As you can see, it stands out a little bit more than the other ones. As you can see, some people here put stars. They put different things beside it. Like this one stands out a lot, right? It's all about testing. But if you're not tracking, then you're not going to know what kind of results you have or you get actually. So yeah, if you guys need any help or anything with any of this stuff, if this video was helpful, please leave a comment below the video and let me know that it was. Always like to hear feedback. Subscribe to my channel and I can update you with stuff that I'm up to. If you're doing something that's you're posting and posting and posting and getting a little bit of results, but it's not residual income, then feel free to contact me on Facebook. There'll be a link below this video in the description for you to do so, and then I can help you out. So I don't expect you to say, oh, here, Chris, here's some money, I'll join with your business. But if you do find value in information that I do give you, or if you're looking for something where you want to succeed online and you've been maybe struggling, maybe you have a sponsor that as soon as you bought the product, he disappeared. One of my teammates was mentioning that the other day. This video I had to edit it a couple times because it screwed up with the audio, so I'm not sure if I mentioned this already. I apologize if I did, but one of my teammates was mentioning that he said that for 6 years he was online. He made a little tiny bit of money, but he wasn't successful, and he was very grateful for me because I was giving him a lot of support and showing him things to do and actually helping him out with some of the stuff that he wasn't too technical at. So I mean, I'm not good at everything, but I'm good at some things, and I'm professional or expert, as you could say, in certain things. I have traffic sources like solo ads, which I do send traffic to. And speaking of solo ads, just sent a solo ad traffic to my teammate Mike's page on Thursday of last week before it was around the time I was going to a wedding on Margarita Island here in South America. And I sent some traffic to his capture page, and he generated, I think it was 43% opt-in rate. He got about 48 leads on 100 clicks, which is pretty good. And he generated a $200 sale on Saturday. So between Thursday and Saturday, somebody decided to go ahead and he earned that $200 commission, and now he can earn $500 commission, $1,000 commission, $25, $100, or even the potential $3,000 commission. Some of those are residual. So residual income is where it's at, and if you're doing something where you're posting a lot of ads and you're getting a little bit of results, and you have to keep going and doing the work over and over and over again, then feel free to connect with me, and I'll recommend a couple of businesses that I've gotten involved in that I do focus on that do get results. I've been online since 2003, as I may have mentioned earlier on the video. Not quite sure because, like I said, I had to go edit this video, and my attention span sometimes is pretty short. So I've been online since 2003. At the time of this video, it's 2014. If you're looking to succeed online, you want to move down to the beaches down here. I need more rich friends. So come on, join me down on the beaches. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys have success online. Peace.